So today we're going to Durban. Today's the 6th of Jan. So we're going to Durban today, and I'll basically vlog like every day. We're sleeping 3 nights and 4 days, and then I'll also be going with my siblings from my dad. And yeah, man, we're driving. Yes, it's a road trip. We're driving. What else? Yeah, y'all will basically see from there, but let's go.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light.
I think it's fine because guys, so we're about to eat breakfast now. Breakfast. Going to eat breakfast now. So today, guys, look how hot I look like. Oh, one. So today, we're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to the beach, and then later on, we're gonna go to my dad's dinner. My dad's birthday dinner. His birthday was on August. We celebrate now. Yeah. That's the plans for today. I'll be showing you guys clips of this beautiful place, guys. Just bon. Everybody, we're going to dinner right now, and
I also want to be in it.
Yo, it's Nene. We're going to dinner right now. It's kind of bad, man. Yeah, let me see the side. It's a lighter. It's not really lighting. My foot is what?
That's not something you should be proud of.
Guys, we're leaving. Oh, she made us I don't think they want to be in my vlog. I think they're tired of me. Guys, we're just chilling by the poolside. Let me give you guys a story time about what happened yesterday at the beach. Dinner tour, guys. So, at the beach, yes, yo, come. So first we got the new Ushaka. We're going to have a good time. We're gonna spend a lot of hours there. So now we're like, was it even an hour? By the beach.
Less than an hour. Probably like close to an hour, let's say that. Guys were there by the beach, it's nice. Hey, this is the rough wave. Yo, guys, that the wave was fighting with us. Came and now it swept me away. I fell. So I felt like inside the water, like I was yo. And then like literally after that I saw that my lashes coming out sharp with that. After a bit I went to go give my mom my lashes because they all came out. Then I had to put them, and then now my skin started burning. Okay, yeah, guys, my eyes were, this eye was red. I think it's still red. I was burning. Okay, like my skin was burning. Also her skin was having like white patches. My sister's eyes were red. Nothing reacted to my brother. Guys, the beach is the enemy, but I'm still gonna go there.
Yeah, so today we're going to the boat cruise, and yeah, we're just done getting ready. We look so good. This is the third of the day. Yes, let me show you all the fit. Yar. What's the name? Going to swim now. It's like literally.
Yes, they're all.
Okay, what's the time?
8:20.
20 past 8.
Every girl wants to bring a group
Going to swim.
because
It's the last night today. So we're gonna swim,
Girls don't mind taking.
and then we just ate this. Yeah, that's cool.
So we're gonna go swim now, and I have to go change.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I am. I have to go change, and she's already like going to swim, but she has to check for me if the pool is deep enough. Cause I'm like tall. I said it's deep. I literally said it's deep. I need to also drown in the pool.
No, what the hell?
Yeah.
Stand.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Guys, when I tell you guys woke up, take pictures because the sun is out.
So early, imagine.
When I tell you guys from Monday to, let's say this morning, I don't know.
Yeah, wait,
It's been
Thursday.
raining.
Today's Thursday.
Today's Thursday.
Yeah, today's Thursday.
It's been raining, it's not raining, it's
Imagine.
cloud, no sun.
Yo.
The first time I touched the sun this week.
Yo.
But we've been taking pictures because
Yeah,
we look so
no.
good. Here's the OOTD. Yeah, we're still taking pictures then when I had breakfast.
You can go.
Okay, so I'm now changing back into what I had before I left. And yeah, this was just like for taking pictures because I just brought this as an extra outfit. Like maybe if I want to take pictures here at the hotel because it's so cute. But yeah, now I'm going to be changing. This is us leaving, but they still want to take pictures. Still want to take. I like. But they were supposed to go to the aquarium, yeah, but 1 hour late.
So if we wait now,
Sorry,
Yeah.
And like if we go now, then it's gonna be
We're gonna have less time, and now we're going back to our hotel to get our swimming things.
And the main reason we wanted to go to the aquarium was because of the sharks.
Yeah, it was the
now,
open ocean.
If we go now and then we join the group that's there, then what if they already passed the sharks?
Bro.
So you see,
yeah. So we're just gonna go to the Wet and Wild, which is the slides. We're not going to the aquarium anymore. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, we're just gonna go get.
So
our
just
things.
go back, come back, go back again.
Yeah, and it's not far. It isn't. It's not far. No, it's not far.
And the next time you'll see us, we'll be in Dubai, guys.
Guys, I'm at the beach. Oh my god, my lashes are I thought I'll just pass by the beach and just take a cute little video.